Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to locate the service tag on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop or tablet or really whatever device you have. It doesn't really matter if you have the sticker on it or not, because in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to internally locate that by running a command in the command line window. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu, type in CMD. Best result should go back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. Now, like I said, I'm going to have a command in the description of my video. If you'd rather type it in, you can. Otherwise, you can just copy it and then go up to the top bar of the command prompt here. Right click on it, select edit, and then select paste to paste it in. If you'd rather type it out, you can. It's just wmic space BIOS space get space serial number. Exactly how you see it on my screen here. Hit enter on your keyboard, and at this point you have a serial number that'll come up, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.